Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Tonia Kitchen. Thanks for stopping by. Are you just seeing my video for the first time? Please, after watching, subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can dry your macrofish or any fish at all in your kitchen. We're going to be using oven. I did not cut the side of the fish because I'm trying to do it exactly the way they do it in Nigeria. Those people that sell fish in the market, they don't cut the side of the fish before drying it. You know, I'm trying to do it the same way they do. So, just like so, take the tail of the fish, put it direct to the mouth of the fish. You can see it's very simple. Please, have you subscribed to my channel? Subscribe. Here is my oven tray. If you don't have anything to spread on it, there's no problem. I'm spreading it there so that it will not stain the oven tray. That's oil. You can use any oil available for you. So this oven tray is there so that the oil and the water that will be coming out from the fish will not mess up my oven. That's why the oven tray is there. So just rub oil on it so that the fish will not stick on it. You can rub any oil you like. Yeah, you can even rub palm oil on it. Turn the back and rub it very well. Dried fish is very expensive here in Spain. Sometimes it's not easy to get. So it is better buy it and dry it yourself. Please like this video if you have not liked this video. After watching, share it. I'm taking it straight to the oven. Yes, look at my fish. This fish I've already spent 35 minutes in the oven. I never wanted it to reach like that, but I was attending to my son. Before I knew it was already 35 minutes. Then I flipped the other side, this very side now. I left it for about 10 minutes. So altogether it's 45 minutes. Look at my fish. You can see it's very dried and I like it. It will not scatter in your soup. You can use this macrofish for stew, for any kind of soup, even for pepper soup. You know, the pepper soup we used to eat starch. You know, you can use to prepare it. This fish is still very hot. It's very dried. If you don't want your oil to be dried like this, you can control it. My oven is different from your oven. It may not be the same. So you know the way you used to set your oven, you know, just set it like that. Look at it, it's very dried. And if you know you want to make it for sale, after you have removed it from the oven, you will rub some oil on it. Yeah, but I didn't do that because I'm not going to be selling it. You rub oil at the back of the fish and the front. Just rub it and it will make it look beautiful. It will be shiny, you know. but I didn't do that because my fish is not for sale. Please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you. Please, I want you to be part of this family. Leave your comments below this video and help me share this video. Okay, help me share this video. There are lots of people that want to know how they can dry their fish at home. Help me share this video. You can also watch other videos on my channel. I have other videos there that you will like. Watch, subscribe, share, comment, and I would like to see you on my next video. Yeah, I'm going to be using this fish for my delicious soup, which I will be uploading very soon. Yeah, by the grace of God, the video is ready. I'll be uploading it after this very one, so that you can see what I prepared with this dried mackerel fish. If you watched it this time, God bless you. Thank you so much, and I would like to see you on my next video. Don't forget to rub oil on it if you are selling it. Ciao.